Hello बच्चों, नमस्कार. Welcome to Shravan's Biology. Today's topic is PBR 322 from the chapter Biotechnology. We know that vectors are playing important role in genetic engineering experiment. If you want to clone your desirable gene in plant, animal, bacteria, there is a requirement of a vector. A vector could be plasmid, cosmid, phasemid, BAC, YAC, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो vectors are playing very important role in delivering the desirable gene, such as plasmid की बात करते हैं. सो प्लास्मिड्स वेक्टर्स है जिसके अंदर ओरी साइट होगा, सिलेक्टेबल मार्कर्स होंगे, जिसके अंदर क्लोनिंग साइट्स होंगे, बट जरूरी नहीं, इट इज नॉट एसेंशियल दैट ऑल योर डिजायरेबल फीचर्स मस्ट प्रेजेंट इन नेचुरली अकरिंग प्लास्मिड. So that's why scientists constructed artificial plasmid. So we have best example of artificial plasmid, that is PBR 322, where P stands for, P का मतलब क्या होता है? P stands for plasmid. And BR में B stands for Bolivar and Rodrigues, scientists है, they constructed PBR. And what is 322? The 322 is the number to differentiate this plasmid from other plasmids of same lab. Like we have other examples of PBR, like PBR 325 is there, 327, 328. So we are discussing about the first artificial plasmid, PBR 322 by Bolivar and Rodrigues. Let us look at this PBR 322 and what are the desirable features found in it. See, the first thing, ORI site. Look at here. Origin of replication is present in PBR 322, which is essential because you can link your desirable gene for amplification, for cloning purpose and all. ORI site zaruri hai. It is essential. So there is ORI site, fine. And look at the selectable markers of PBR 322. So we have two selectable markers here in the form of antibiotic resistancy genes. So one is tetracycline resistancy gene. So this is the sequence of tetracycline resistancy gene. And this is ampicillin resistancy gene. In this way, we have two antibiotic resistancy genes acting like selectable markers which help in identifying a transformed bacteria from non-transformed bacteria. So two selectable markers. Third one, cloning sites. Cloning sites कितने हैं? See, we know that in a vector, in a given vector, there should be very few cloning sites, preferably one. So look at here. There are so many cloning sites for different restriction enzymes. जैसे कि BAMH1. BAMH1 is a restriction enzyme from the bacteria Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. So look at this vector, entire vector. In complete vector में BAMH1 के लिए there is only single recognition site, single cloning site, that is in tetracycline resistancy gene. SAL1 के लिए भी होगा recognition site या cloning site in tetracycline resistancy gene. Ampicillin resistancy gene के अंदर PVU1 PST1 के लिए रिकॉग्निशन साइट या क्लोनिंग साइट है. तो देखिए Bacillus amyloliquefaciens, SAL1, Streptomyces albus, Proteus vulgaris, Providentia stewarti, ऐसे बैक्टीरिया से रेस्ट्रिक्शन एंजाइम्स या एंडोन्यूक्लियेजेस को हम आइसोलेट करते, एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं, एंड वी आर यूजिंग इट फॉर कटिंग स्पेसिफिक साइट, रिकॉग्निशन साइट्स इन वेक्टर. तो क्लोनिंग साइट्स देख लिया ना, BAMH1, SAL1 are the enzymes, they have cloning sites in TET-R. PST1, PVU1, they have cloning sites inside the sequence of AMP-R. There are other enzymes also. EcoR1 के लिए क्लोनिंग साइट है, CLAV1 के लिए, HIND3 के लिए, एज वेल एज PVU2 के लिए भी क्लोनिंग साइट्स है. इस वेक्टर का साइज देखिए 4363 बेस पेयर्स आर देयर. And there is important sequence called ROP sequence. ROP क्या होता है? Replication of plasmid. मतलब ये सीक्वेंस जब एक्सप्रेस होगा, we get proteins and those proteins help in replication of plasmid. That is what ROP का मतलब replication of plasmid. The sequence express to produce enzymes and they help in the replication of plasmid ROP. इसमें भी cloning site है, that is PVU2. Hope you understood PBR 322 story and please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon to get further notifications and follow me on Instagram, Shravan's Biology Telegram channel also. Thank you.